Welcome, today I am with Huawei MatePad 11 and I'll show you how Face Unlock works in this device. So I will make a few tries and we can check how this device performs. So I'm gonna hold it like that, and of course the front camera we can find in those places, you can see. And let's start, let's make the test. Okay, so as you can see, it works really fast, it's reliable, it recognizes my face all time. So yeah, that's all. If you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.